Yo, guys, how are we doing today, man? How are you doing today? All right, cool. So today, if you haven't read the title already, today we're gonna be doing a video on how to make a Gunna type beat. But I'm using a twist. Since I got Red Dead Redemption for my birthday the other day, shout out to my sister for that. I thought, you know what? I love the game so much. I'm sick at it. All right, my horse is looking fire. Okay, so I decided, you know what, I'm gonna use a sample from one of the soundtracks. Or I'm gonna use one of the soundtracks. I'm gonna sample it, and we're gonna make a Gunna type beat out of it because they use a lot, obviously it's a Wild West, so they use a lot of guitars, you know what I'm saying? All those like steel guitars, or the, you know what I'm saying? They use guitars a lot, alright? So we're gonna use a sample that I found on YouTube from Red Dead Redemption, and I'm gonna show y'all what it sounds like. So let's get into the video. Alright, so this is what the sample sounds like. But yeah, that's what it sounds like so far. I think I'm gonna speed it up. No, I definitely am gonna speed it up because that's way too slow. So we're gonna I'm gonna drop that into Edison first of all. Let's open that up into Edison. So I'm gonna go ahead and go to my channel settings and put this in Edison. And I'm gonna look for a nice loop. First of all, that's what we need to find. I need to find a nice loop. All right, where is Edison? Back to Edison. That flute is so annoying. What the hell? Alright, you guys, so we got our 3 loops. I am gonna see what I can do with these loops. I hope I can do something because these loops are kind of annoying sometimes, because there's like this, you heard, it was the flute and it was just annoying. So I'm gonna EQ them as well, and I'm gonna see what I can get come up with. So let's do this thing, man.
2,000 years later.
Guys, you're gonna have to listen to this, okay? Found a loop, I chopped it up actually, What else did I do to it? I added gross beat, of course I added gross beat. Well, you know what, let me just show you guys what I did. So basically, the full like loop thing was like this, I think, yeah. So full loop was like this, all right? So I cut it in half right here, got rid of this, put this down here. I added gross beat, and I added reverb, EQ'd it, all that stuff. Oh yeah, I added like some drums to it because I wanted to make sure that it was on beat. Actually, I didn't really need to do that. I could have used the metronome. But anyway, this is my way of doing it. I just added some simple drums to it. I don't know if I should show you guys that now. Yeah, so here's what the loop sounds like, so. Alright, so yeah, there it is. And I also added a reverb on it. I don't think I said that. I might have, who knows. That is what it sounds like. And I mean, all we gotta do now is find the counter melody. Well, attempt to find the counter melody, because you guys know sometimes I don't even do the counter melody because, you know, the sample's just so good by itself. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna look for a counter melody, because I don't want to be lazy, all right? I want this beat to be nice. So we're gonna go look for a counter melody, but you guys know how I do this. We always gotta, what's it called? Record this into Edison first. There's the Edison on the master channel. Just make sure you just put the record thing on input and then play the damn thing, and then it's gonna record. Once you're done recording, you get this happy little sample to make your stomach feel all happy on the inside. Okay, now what we're gonna do is, now that we got this sample, we're gonna go detect pitch regions. No, I don't know why I keep going over this. I'm sure you guys already know how to do this by now, but I'm just... Okay, guys, we finally found this goddamn counter melody. Jesus Christ, that took way too long. Oh my god. Okay, so basically well, first I started in Nexus. I just couldn't be asked to look through those sounds. So what do? We went to Omnisphere, of course, because you know it's Omnisphere. But here's what it sounds like separate, and I'm gonna show you guys what it sounds like together. So here's what the counter melody sounds like. So yeah. But yeah, that's what that sounds like. Now, let's put it together. I'm gonna show you guys what it sounds like together. That's what it sounds like together. So yeah, it's kind of faint. It's kind of behind the sample a little bit. I'm gonna mix it a little bit and make it sound a little bit better. But now it is time for the most important part, the best part, most fun part in my opinion, the drums. So I'm gonna go ahead and look for my beloved 808. Actually, no, I'm not. We're gonna go for the hi-hats and the snare so far, for now. So I'm just gonna, let's look for a nice snare that I haven't used before. I've definitely used like all these. I need to get a new drum kit, Jesus. Guys, I'm shocked my computer hasn't burst into flames at this point because this is just straight heat, man. That was a dead joke. Wow. But yeah, so far it sounded real nice. All I gotta do is the 808 and the kick, and we're all done. So I'm gonna show you guys what I got so far with the drums. I'm gonna move on to the most important part. Enjoy what I have so far. Cold, ain't it? I know. So let's 808s. Yeah, I forgot that I said that. Guys, oh my goodness. Beat is done. All right, you know what we gotta do. We gotta mix it and arrange it, and I know I say this every time, but you know what? I'm just mix it, and then you'll see.
2 hours later.
Okay, it's finally time to do the beat reveal. Okay, the beat reveal. That's my new thing. The beat reveal. Let's do this thing. I hope you guys enjoy the video. You know what I'm saying? Make sure you like, subscribe, share. Guys, you gotta share the video. All right? I don't know what I was gonna say. Share the video. Subscribe to the channel. I know you're watching and you're not. Subscribe to the goddamn channel, please. Just subscribe. It's easy, it's free. Click the button below that says subscribe and subscribe to the channel. Become part of Dawg's gang, all right? This is a lifestyle, all right? Join the family, you know how it is. I'm out of here. I'm gonna shut up, and here's the beat.